back and his eyes were closed. I was like, I giggled. I was like, and then a couple things woke him up, and I decided to grab my phone. Hey. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Hey. Nice try. See how fast you motored? Nice try. Haha.